back to my channel, and I hope you're doing well. Thank you for clicking on this video. Today I wanted to share one of my fave beauty and skincare tips that I've been using for probably about a year now. It's these dry brushes. So I'm going to go over these. If you've not heard of dry brushing before, it's so good for your skin. It's so good for cellulite and lumps and bumps. Forget all those creams, forget the cellulite creams, the expensive creams. I think I've tried quite a few of them to know which works and which doesn't work. Creams for me personally don't really work. I lather them on and then nothing happens. But this one is like a physical thing that you're putting on your skin, you're exfoliating, and I honestly see the benefits of these dry brushes. So if you want to know more about them, just keep on watching. Okay, so the two dry brushes that I have is this one is by Galgot Manor. So this one has bristly brushes, but it also has like plastic bits in the middle, and they both have this handheld bit, which is so good for getting your legs and your ankles and things. It's so easy to hold. So this is this one. This is really good for thighs and legs. It gives such a good exfoliation. And then the next one I have is the Eco Tools. So both of these I think you can buy from Boots or Superdrug if you're in the UK, and probably Amazon. This one is Eco Tools, so this one's super natural and it's not synthetic brushes, you know, it's all really natural brushes. And this one does the same thing, but less of an intense exfoliation. How I like to dry brush is before I go in the shower, they say it's best to dry brush them, because then you're going to go in the shower and the toxins and the hot water opens up your pores and does what it's supposed to do in terms of rejuvenating your cells and making your skin feel like super good. Dry brushing also does this thing called lymphatic drainage. So when I did my video recently on the ice rollers and the jade rollers for your face, you guys seemed to really like it because I had some good comments saying you hadn't thought of an ice roller or you didn't know what it was. But the ice roller is one of my favorite ways to cleanse your face, keep your skin looking good, and gives you such a nice spa treatment at home. So if you haven't watched that, head over to that video. But anyway, this is a way that I do lymphatic drainage for your body. So the way that they recommend that you dry brush is you grab it like this and you do small brushes upwards. So they recommend that you brush towards your heart, and then when you get to your chest area, you brush down towards your heart. And this helps with the blood flow and helps break down those cells. And by you brushing on them like this regularly, maybe 3 or 4 times a week, you're breaking down those cells so that they all dissolve into your skin and your skin appears much smoother. So that's what I found by this, especially on your thighs. You get some really good effectiveness using these, especially this one with the plastic bristles in the middle. This is super good because it gives a more intense exfoliation, and if you put enough pressure on it as well. So for me, I like to dry brush probably 4 times a week. I'll do the upper half of my body using this one and then the lower using the other, and I think 4 times a week just before you go in the shower. It also helps with a natural energy boost, so I would recommend if you were going to dry brush to do it in the morning, because it does give you a bit of a pick-me-up. It stimulates your cells, it gets you going in the morning, and I just find it a great way to add a bit of self-care, some skincare into a morning routine. So I definitely give these a go if you haven't. Should not dry brush on your face, so don't be tempted to use this as a face exfoliator. They're far too strong to be able to use in your face, and it might cause breakouts, so that's just a heads up as well. You're better to get one of those mitts that you can use to exfoliate your face, or even a tea tree oil with the beads in the middle of it, just like a face exfoliator. So don't be using these brushes on your face, just to let you know. They're also super good for dry areas and dry skin. So if you have drier elbows or drier knees or ankles, this is really good. It also not only gets fake tan off, but it's super good at leaving your skin really smooth, and it helps with dry skin and also the rejuvenation of new skin. So when you have dry skin, if you exfoliate, your skin comes back smoother and it's fresh skin. Whereas if you don't exfoliate, your skin cells tend to layer up. I'm not a professional, but this is just what I researched because I did a good bit of research into dry brushing and why it's important, and that's why I wanted to share this video with you guys. So your skin layers up and new skin cells build on top of it, which can then lead to breakouts even, or not having the perfect smooth skin. So if you guys have ever tried dry brushing, just let me know in the comments what you thought of it. and your techniques and way that you would use it and how you would incorporate it into your morning routine or your skincare routine. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I like doing these little bits of skincare tips and things that I'm using, because although it's not new to me, it might be new to you guys. And what I've seen from the ice roller and the jade roller is some of you might not be aware of certain products and tools that's out there. So I'm here to share them with you. I love trying out new gadgets and new bits to try and make yourself feel better. I love self-care and I love, you know, skincare and products. So I just wanted to share that. So yeah, these are my 2 faves, dry brushing at the minute. If you have any more questions, please just message me below and I'll see y'all in my next video.